Remember, a defeat does not mean we are defeated. We lost this battle.
President Joe Biden steps up to the mic just a day after Donald Trump's big win. The room is quiet, but the weight of the moment is loud.
The America
Biden,
of your
ever
dreams,
the statesman, starts with
is
what he
calling
does
for you to
best,
get back
bringing
up.
people together. He shares that he's already spoken to President-elect Trump. "I assured him," he says, "that our teams will work together for a peaceful and orderly transition." And just like that, Biden shows us what leadership looks like, gracious even in defeat. Then he shifts gears to Kamala Harris. His voice softens as he says, "She gave her whole heart, effort, and she and her entire team should be proud of the campaign they ran." It's a touching nod to his
Over
VP,
200 years,
a recognition of the grit and
America's
determination
carried on
she
the
poured
greatest
into this race.
experiment in self-government in the history of the world. And that's not hyperbole, that's a fact. We're the people.
But the
people
real
vote
gut
and
punch,
choose
Biden's message
their
to the
own
nation.
leaders, and they do it peacefully. And we're in a democracy. The will of the people always prevails.
He doesn't sugarcoat it, he gets real. I've said many times. He reminds us, you can't love your country only when you win. You can't love your neighbor only when you agree. Let that sink in for a moment. It's like when you have a disagreement with a friend or family member, you don't stop caring about them just because you see things differently. Biden's words aren't just for the history books, they're for us. A reminder that unity isn't about agreeing on everything, it's about finding common ground and moving forward together. As he wraps up, you can't help but feel it. This isn't the end of a story. It's a new chapter. A call for everyone, no matter their side, to come together for the country they love.
I also spoke with Vice President Harris. She's been a partner, a public servant. She ran an inspiring campaign and everyone got to see something.
And in true Biden fashion, he leaves the stage with grace, humility, and a spark of hope.